guys, in this video we'll be discussing about Vedantu off-campus type 2020. So for this job role, we can refer some of the or the few viewers or the candidates, those who are interested for this role. You need to follow two steps. So later we'll be discussing about the steps. So first, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe. And if you want to apply for the latest off-campus types, here you can check our official YouTube channel, Helpful Techniques. So here we have uploaded minimum of 70 to 80 videos regarding latest off-campus types and the job references. So you can check each and every video, and according to your skills or according to your eligibility and the interest, you can apply for the job roles by the link provided in the description of each video. So now let's discuss about the job role and the eligibility criteria. So the job role, they are hiring for the academic counselor, and the job location is across India, and salary will be getting 3.3 LPA for first 3 months, and after completing the training or probation, you will be getting 4.5 LPA as a full-time employee of Vedantu. And qualification required is BE, BTech, MBA, BBA. Other qualification candidates like MCA or MTech are not eligible for this role. Then branch, any branch, that means all the IT background candidates as well as the non-IT candidates or the branch candidates are eligible. Then batch, only 2019 and 2020 year of pass out candidates or the batch candidates are eligible. Other year of pass out candidates like 2018 or 2021, that means the current batch, are not eligible, unfortunately. And remember one thing, it is only for the candidates having the career, that means minimum 60% throughout your academic career you need to have for this job role or for this company. Then the role and responsibilities. So present, promote and sell the products or the services using solid to prospective customers. Understand the customer's requirement and pitch the products accordingly from the available product offered by the company. And reach out to the customers through the cold calling and schedule home demo for the final sales. So you only need a marketing skills or experience for this role. So let me tell you one thing, all the freshers as well as the experienced candidates are eligible for this role irrespective of their experience, because they have not mentioned any experience required in their official website. So if you have experience in this background, it's very good, because the probability of getting shortlisted will be more. Then reach out to the customers through the cold calling and schedule the home demo for the final sales. Then the recruitment process. So there will be a basic aptitude test and the English test for 30 minutes. Then the case study you need to solve. Then the final interview. So totally there will be 3 rounds of interview. So all are easy to overcome or qualify. So let me take you to the official website where you can apply for this role. So this is the, you need to, if you are interested for this role or for this job role, you need to fill up this Google form. So here you need to put your name, email ID, mobile number, gender, current city, highest qualification you need to mention, then college name, year of pass out or batch, and highest qualification percentage, 10th percentage, 12th percentage, sorry, 10th percentage. Do you have any backlog or arrear? Languages you know. Then do you have a laptop or high speed internet and good Android phone? Yes or no. Choose your interview location. After that, you need to click on the submit option here. So let me tell you one thing. So by mistake they have printed something here. Yes, joining date is 30th October 2020, but now it is November 27th November. So till now the Google form is receiving data, or you can say you are able to apply for this job role. That means the by mistake they have mentioned it, I think it is for 30th November. By mistake they have mentioned October. So after applying or filling this Google form, you need to send your updated resume to us in this email ID, mentioned email ID, helpfultechniques@gmail.com, by mentioning the subject line as applying for the academic counselor, because many candidates are sending us their resumes. So if you are mentioning not mentioning for which job role you are applying for, then we will not be able to refer you. So we'll be able to refer some of the few candidates this time. So first 10, or you can say first 5 or to 10 candidates I'll be able to refer. So for remaining candidates we'll try in the next hiring process. So if you have any doubt regarding this off-campus drive, you can comment your doubts or the issues in the comment section below, so that we will be able to help you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and all the best for the drive.